Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So basically you want to get your Snapchat score up and you want to get your Snap score up quickly also. You're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, and I'm not gonna send you to no sketchy website where you have to fill up your sensitive information like your username or password. None of that. You're not gonna have to pay at all. You're not gonna have to subscribe to anything. This process is so easy and it's legit and it's very simple to follow. And once you follow up with me till the end, you're gonna be able to get hundreds of Snap score in just a couple of clicks. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we go to your Play Store or App Store, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for everything to work smoothly. Once you get that out of the way, quit the store and let's open Snapchat now. Now from here, I'm only gonna open Snapchat and this account specifically to show you guys that it's a new account and I have no Snap score in it. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is once you follow up with me to get the Snap score up. As you can see, I have 0 Snap score here. And the work at first in this method is not going to be in the main account. I'm gonna show you where to start. Now from here, we need to log out. So tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, then scroll all the way down here to log out from this account. Now here you can tap on switch account in the bottom right corner if you have a secondary account or if you have like a fake account or something like that. That could be useful right now. If not, don't worry about it. This is like a very easy step in this process. So just let's go back from here, tap on sign up. From here, tap on continue. And then just write a random name. You don't even have to remember it. Tap on agree and continue. Again, the birthday, I'm gonna select a random one. Just like that. Also the password, I'm not even gonna remember it. I'm gonna set a random password just to get through this step. And just like that, tap on continue. Now this is the trick, it's right here. You need an email to create the account. I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited amount of emails to create unlimited amounts of fake accounts that you can use later in a couple of clicks to get hundreds and thousands of Snap score. Quit the Snapchat app, go to your browser and just simply Google temp mail and open this website, tempmail.com. It should look like this. Just give it a couple of seconds and it's gonna give you an email that you can use temporarily. And this is the email that it has generated for me right here. Go ahead and copy it. Now we quit the browser, we won't need it anymore. So open Snapchat and then paste the email right here and tap on continue and voila, we have an account. Just tap on skip in the top right corner. And basically from here, the work is almost done. We need to just locate and find our main account. So I'm just gonna go back to messages. I'm gonna tap right here in the top right, top left, excuse me. And I'm gonna search for my main account that I want to increase the Snap score of. Simply, I'm gonna search for it and I'm gonna add it. So the trick is you basically create 5 to 10 accounts like these, and then I'll show you how to use them later to get unlimited amounts of Snap score in a matter of seconds and minutes. This is my main account, I have added it. Now from here, I log out from this fake account. Just tap in the top right corner, scroll all the way down. Tap on log out. You don't even have to verify your number. Now let's say I have created many fake accounts. Let's go back to the main account now. Now from the main account, we need to follow carefully here. Go to your chats and messages. In the top, we have the shortcuts section. Now before we go there, we need to accept ourselves from the fake account, and then we go to the chat section. From here you see the shortcuts in the top. Tap on new to create basically a new shortcut. Again, tap on new shortcut and add all of the fake accounts in this shortcut. I have created one just for the example of this video. If I had many, I would have selected all of them and then just choose an emoji in the top. I'm gonna choose a random one, so let's just tap right there, choose, let's say, the cool sunglasses emoji, and then tap on create. Now we have a shortcut, as you can see, guys. Let's go ahead and quit from here, and then we need to go back to the camera now. So let's tap on the camera icon in the bottom. From here, in the right options, tap on the arrow to expand, and then tap on multi-snap. That's the option we're going to use. Now take unlimited amounts, or basically the cap is 20 snaps at once. So let's just take 20 snaps, and then we just tap on OK, and then tap on send to in the bottom right corner. We have, as you can see, guys, 20 snaps. Tap on send in the bottom right corner, and then choose the shortcut that we have created. I'm going to choose right now everyone in the shortcut. Basically, I only have one, but you can have many, and it's actually better to have many. Just like that, I have sent those 20 multi-snaps to my shortcuts. Let's go ahead and see. As you can see, it is sending. Just give it a couple of seconds. Depends on your internet here. If it's fast, it's gonna do it really quickly. As you can see, guys, I have sent these snaps. Now what I can do is, voila, I go check my profile and I have 20 all at once. Now if I had, let's say, 10 fake accounts and I sent 20 snaps in the shortcut that I have created, that means I can literally have 200 snap scores just like that in a matter of seconds. If I have more than 10 fake accounts, I can have more than 200 snap score. So as you can see, guys, the method is legit. You won't get banned